Welcome back to another episode of Teachers in Transition, the podcast and the YouTube channel. My name is Kitty Boitnott. I am the owner of Teachers in Transition, and I work as a career transition and job search coach, specializing with working with teachers who are burnt out and ready for a career change, but don't know how or where to begin. In addition to being a trained and experienced career transition coach, I'm also a certified stress management coach. And on this podcast and YouTube channel, I alternate topics each week. One week I talk about stress management strategies, and other weeks on alternating weeks, I talk about career transition. This week I'm going to speak a little bit to stress management and the importance of just taking a break from your life with a vacation. If you can manage it, I highly recommend it. I just got back from a week-long vacation in Key West, Florida, and it was just what the doctor ordered. I had a fabulous time. I moved at what they refer to as island time. I didn't try to keep to any kind of schedule. I slept in one morning when I felt like sleeping in. I took care of myself. I made sure that self-care was at the top of my list. This was a birthday trip. I was celebrating a big birthday and decided that if I don't start checking more things off of my bucket list, I'm not going to ever get to them. And Key West had been on my bucket list for quite a while, so I managed to check it off. I was also inclined to adopt the term island time while I was down there, and want to transfer it to my day-to-day life. Island time is a reference to taking things slow, being more relaxed, just being mindful about the things that you're doing and paying attention to what's going on around you. So I highly recommend that you consider incorporating some island time in your own life. I can't recommend it highly enough, in fact. If you are feeling stressed and overwhelmed, what you need to do is to take some time for yourself, whether it's a vacation or just a day off from your regular routine. What you need to do is shake things up a little bit and find something to do that is relaxing and enjoyable and a diversion from your day-to-day routine. I promise it can help you with your stress. So that's it for this week. I hope you have a wonderful week. Stay well, stay safe. I will see you next week.